it's Prairie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't wait to show you how to make my favorite homemade mac and cheese, and it only takes 30 minutes to make. And one of the perks is that it also only has 6 ingredients. So you can see I have everything set up over there on the stove. Let's get started. Alrighty, so in a medium saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to add in 2 cups of these little pasta shells. And they're just medium pasta shells, and you could use any kind of pasta you wanted. This is just what I had on hand. I'm going to put them into some salted boiling water, and just cook them to the minimum amount of on your packet instructions, which would also be al dente. Alrighty, so now we're going to start heating the milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. We're going to add in a 1.5 cups of whole milk, and whole milk really is key here because it's going to give us the creaminess and the right texture that we want for the mac and cheese. So we're just going to heat this until it comes to about 120 degrees. Alrighty, so now in a pretty large, heavy bottomed pot, we are going to add in a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. And we're just going to want to melt this down over medium heat. Alrighty, so after your butter has melted, we're going to want to add in a 1/4 cup of just plain all-purpose flour to it, and this is going to create a roux for our mac and cheese. And you're just going to want to whisk this up with a whisk. And it'll get thick at first, it'll get really thick at first, but then it'll thin out, as you can see. And we're going to want to cook this roux for about, I'd say 3 to 5 minutes, or until the roux is golden brown. Alrighty, so now that our roux is done, we are going to add in our warmed milk. This is what it should look like. You're going to want to add it in pretty slowly, about 1 cup at a time, I would say. So you're going to want to add it in about 3 increments, or ish. And then it will get very thick at first. Let me just show you what this looks like. It will get very thick, but that is completely normal. And if you keep adding it, it will get thinner. And there you have it. Alrighty, now we're going to add in our cheese, and I just have about 1.5 cups of cheese here, and it's a nice blend of Mexican. You can really use whatever cheese you wanted though. I'm going to pour that in and mix it up. And after that's added in, we're going to want to add in a teaspoon of regular seasoning. Alrighty, now I just added in my pasta, and I'm just going to stir it up, and then it will be 100% done. Alrighty, my mac and cheese is done. I think it looks great. Now you could eat it right away, or you could do what I do, and you could pop it into an airtight container, and all you have to do is put a lid on it, and after you do that, you can just stick it in the fridge. It'll last in there for up to a week, and whenever you want a quick and easy dinner or lunch, you can just take it out and heat it up. Either on the stove or in the microwave, either way works just fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more, and also comment down below some video ideas you have for me, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Prairie's Pastries and More, and I will leave this recipe posted down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!